Now we're going to look at real-world ratio problems. This is from 4.3 in the book, page 140. These are a little tricky, so make sure you pay close attention here. And you want to open your book and take a look at the words in the book so that you can kind of follow along a little bit better. It says, draw models to solve problems involving ratios. Megan prepares a fruit punch using apple juice and orange juice in a ratio of 4:3. And I drew that right here. We've got apple juice to orange juice. The apple juice is 4 parts for every 3 parts of the OJ. And then it says for part A, if the total volume of the fruit punch is 630 milliliters, find the volume of apple juice that Megan uses. In other words, you've got like a big container, and in this container is 630 milliliters of fruit punch. Total volume. Fruit punch in this container. There it is. Okay? Well, what different parts make this up? We could say that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that are apple juice. I'm going to put an A on those. 4 parts that are apple juice. And there are 3 parts that are orange juice. Well, how many total parts make up this ratio? You can see that there's actually 7 different parts in here. 7 parts altogether, which is 4 and 3. So if we have 7 parts and there's 630 milliliters in the whole thing, we can figure out how much is in each one of the parts by simply doing a division problem, right? 630 split into 7 different parts is, easy, 90. So each one of the parts has 90 milliliters. Now we can figure out either the apple juice or the orange juice, and they ask us how much apple juice she uses. The apple juice has 4 parts, and if each 4 parts apple juice, and if each part is 90, we're going to multiply the 4 parts times the 90. And 4 times 9 is 36, so that would be 360 milliliters. You have to put a label on there too. Okay, watch the next video to see how I do part B.